Hello, I am going to show you how to fix the Notepad. Here you can see that there is no new text document options in the right click. So I am going to repair this Notepad option. First up, click Windows I for settings. Now go to apps, then install apps and search for Notepad. Notepad. Here three dots, apps are advanced option, then repair, okay, repaired. Now check for the options. It is still not coming, so I am going to reset it. Okay, now it will not show you. We have to restart this. Okay, got it. So if after the reset if it does not work, then you have to uninstall and reinstall it. Okay, thank you.